Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab on the new year. Hope you all had a great new year and looking forward to playing, learning, talking guitar. All right, today we're going to do something sort of out of the roaring 20s. All right, it's a song called 5'2". The purpose behind the song, not only is it a cute song, but the purpose behind it is that we're going to be dealing with the dominant 7th chords. All right. I will play the song for you, to give you a general idea. I'm going to show you right now which of the chords and how we're going to be using them. All right. So, in fact, let's just start with that right away. Okay. C chord. We know this one, right? Okay. Next chord after that we're going to be using. Now we're going to go to the dominant 7th chords. We're using the E7 chord. Okay, I know we've seen these pictures before. The A7, please use it this way because it's going to be used as, in rhythm guitar. All right, because I know we learned a couple of ways to do A7. All right. And to answer the question ahead of time, yes, later on we will be doing some of this stuff, definitely with bar chords. All right. D7, this, remember, just recently from the Mel Bay Book, we were in the key of G, and we had G, C, D7, there it is. Our favorite G7, we all remember that one. Okay? Here's what it looks like. We're in 4/4 time. Name of the tune, 5'2". All right, we have C, 4 beats, E7, 4 beats, A7, we have the 8 beats, okay, and if we recall, remember we went over this about repeating the previous measure, so 4 A7s here, we're repeating the previous measure, all right, so there's 4 more A7s. Then we have D7, G7, C, we're going to repeat the C 4 beats, okay? Then we're going to repeat this whole beginning all the ways through, all right? And then we're going to go in to the middle part. All right, now a little bit about how the song goes, just so you know. I'm going to play a little faster, that I'm not going to be using the metronome at this time. When I do the rhythm guitar portion, we're going to slow it down, all right? Use the metronome, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's this part. Let's play it now. Just rhythm. And by the way, to also get a good idea, YouTube it. Okay, plenty of people have covered this tune. All right, from olden times to new times. Okay, remember, give yourself 4, 3, 4. All downstrokes. All this way. Can we see my hand? Good with that? Middle part of the tune. Again, aren't going to be any new chords here. It's just the sequence they're going to go in. All right. The bridge, or the middle part of the tune, we're going to have E7, it's going to be 8 beats, A7, 8 beats, D7, that's a little rough over there. Then G7, 8 beats, and then we're going to take it to the top and just go through that once. All right? Make it perfectly clear. Play this twice, then we're going to come here. E7, we're going to go 4 and 4. 8 times we're going to strum the E7. A7, 8 times we're going to strum it. D7, 8 times, G7, 8 times, then it goes back. How the bridge goes, or how the middle part goes, we remember this part. The middle part now goes. All right, with the metronome, the bridge coming off of the last 2 measures here. 2, 3, 4, 2. Now we're going to the middle part. 2, 2, 3, 4, and then A7. D7, G7, all down. That's it, nice and steady. Then we go to the top of the tune once through. See? Okay, we got the drift on that, right? All right, so that's the assignment here. All right, we want to play 5'2", and we're in the key of C. All right? Any questions, comments below, please. All right? If you like what you hear, give me the thumbs up. All right, please subscribe. All right, and we'll see you the next time.